Hey guys, so this is Jayeeta right here and you are watching Nature Elegancy Jayeeta. Well girls, sometimes many of you want to take a super relaxing heavy oil massage in your hair. But at the same time, you all want to look stylish and beautiful. Am I right? So in my today's video, I will show you how to do a super easy and most elegant high French braid hairstyle especially for oiled hair. So without a doubt, keep on watching till the end because this video is going to be absolutely needful for you guys. So let's get started.
So first of all, you just need to take a comb and comb all your hair backwards so that there may be no tangles on your hair. Then you just need to take a V section from the top of your hair. Now divide it into 3 equal sections. Now cross the right section over the middle and again cross the left section over the middle. And continue this process. Now take some hair from the left section and add this to the middle section. Then hold the left section and cross the right section over the middle. After that, take some hair from the right section and add it to the middle section. Then hold the right section and cross the left section over the middle. Then again take some hair from the left section, add to this into the middle section, hold the left section and cross the right section over the middle. Then take some hair from the right section, add it into the middle section, hold the right section and cross the left section over the middle. Then repeat this process like so. Add hair from the left section to middle section, hold the left section and cross the right section over the middle. Then again add some hair from the right section to middle section, then hold the right section and cross the left section over the middle. Again add some hair from the left section to the middle section, hold the left section and cross the right section over the middle. Then again repeat this process. Once you grab all the hair into your braid, then start braiding normally, like so.
So this was my high French braid hairstyle specially for oiled hair, and I really hope you enjoyed this video a lot, and if really that, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until now, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification first. If you have any queries related to this video, then you may tell me in the comment section below. So I will be back in my next videos with new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care and bye.